morning to everyone. We, the students of class 6A, are going to present a proverb in different languages of India on the occasion of Bharatiya Bhasha Utsav. In English, we say this: all is well if ends well, which means if the result is good, the previous problems doesn't matter.
इन हिंदी में से अंत भला तो सब भला, अर्थात परिणाम अच्छा हो जाए तो सब कुछ अच्छा हो जाता है। इन ओडिया में से जार शेष भला तार सब भला।
In Sanskrit we say, yasya anta sundaram tasya sarva sundaram.
In Marathi we say, सर्व काही चांगले आहे जे चांगले संपते. In Bengali we say, সব ভালো যা শেষ ভালো.
In Bhojpuri, we say, je arth mein theek hu sab theek.
In Telugu we say, अंत बगाने उंदी तो आदि बगाने मुगस्तुंदी. In Gujarati we say, जनो अनुसार होए तो अनुसार.
Poem, a simple four-letter word, but holds the immense power of evoking imagination and moving the spirit. It can also be defined as a distilled emotion, a canvas of imagery, a dance of language, or a mirror to the soul. But what if I say this simple four-letter word is not just a part of our academic curriculum, but can be a scimitar to decapitate atrocities or social evils and foster the idea of nationalism. A pleasant morning to all. I'm Sanjana Yadav of class 11D, and today I'm grateful to have the opportunity of recounting the life story of Mahakavi Subramanya Bharati, a strong-willed persona whose poems light the spirit of patriotism in the heart of every Indian citizen. Subramanya Bharati was a revolutionary Tamil writer, poet, journalist and freedom fighter. A visionary figure, he is considered a pioneer of modern Tamil literature. Born in Ettayapuram in Tamil Nadu in 1882, he demonstrated extraordinary talent of poetic from a young age. His fiery patriotic songs and writings kindled the spirit of independence during India's freedom struggle. Through works like Panchali Sapatham and countless essays, he championed social reforms, women's rights, and a unified India. He fearlessly advocated against caste discrimination and religious divisions. Despite facing poverty and exile in Puducherry to evade British persecution, he continued his literary and political work. His powerful, evocative language and nationalist zeal continued to inspire generations. He passed away at the young age of 39 in 1921, leaving an indelible mark on Indian history and literature. And at last, I would like to give voice to few awe-striking lines of one of his famous poems, यह है भारत देश हमारा. यह है भारत देश हमारा, पूर्ण ज्ञान का शुभ्र निकेतन. यह है देश जहाँ पर बरसी बुद्ध देव की करुणा चेतन, बुद्ध देव की करुणा चेतन. है महान अति भव्य पुरातन, गूंजेगा यह गान हमारा. है क्या हमसा कोई जग में, यह है भारत देश हमारा. यह है भारत देश हमारा. विघ्नों का दल चढ़ आए तो उन्हें देख भयभीत न होंगे. अब ना रहेंगे दलित दीन हम, कहीं किसी से हीन न होंगे, कहीं किसी से हीन न होंगे. शूद्र स्वार्थ की खातिर हम तो कभी ना ओछे कर्म करेंगे. पुण्य भूमि यह भारत माता, जग की हम तो भीख ना लेंगे, जग की हम तो भीख ना लेंगे. In this context, we are celebrating Bhasha Utsav to commemorate the great poet's birth anniversary and his great contribution from 4th December to 11th December. Thank you.
Special clap, go!